Next point from the solid state is number of particles and unit cell in x gram of metallic crystal. How can calculate the number of particles and unit cell in x gram of metallic crystal? For example, x gram of metallic crystal contains how many number of particles? So how can calculate? You know that n, small n means number of particles per unit cell. Small n means number of what? Number of particles per unit cell. V is the volume of the cube unit cell. Rho is the density. Molar mass is capital M. Density is equal to mass upon volume. So density is equal to, you know that in previous video we already discussed this number of particles in unit cell is small n divided by volume of unit cell is A cube into M upon Na. So mass is the, what is the mass of the unit cell? The mass of the unit cell, how can calculate? Simply you can calculate number of particles in unit cell into M divided by Na. Okay. Then density is equal to, you can put the value of number of particles is n, volume of the unit cell is A cube into molar mass of the unit cell divided by Avogadro's number. Then by this formula, by using this formula, you can calculate any constant, any term here. You can calculate number of particles or density, edge length, or mass, molar mass. You can calculate. So molar mass is equal to what? Molar mass is equal to rho into A cube into Na divided by small n. So number of particles in x gram of metal. How can calculate? You already discussed how can calculate molar mass. Then you can see here number of particles in x gram of metal. How can calculate the number of particles present in x gram of metal? So molar mass is M, contains any particles, that means Avogadro's number particles 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 particles. Therefore x gram of metal contains, if molar mass M contains any particle, जर molar mass M असेल तर it contains Avogadro's number particles, then x gram of metal contains how many particles? So you can simply cross multiply it, x gram into Na divided by M. Okay, this is equation number 2. You can substitution M from equation 1 in equation 2. You can put this value of molar mass into equation number 2. Okay, you can put the value of molar mass from equation number 1 into equation number 2. So what is the molar mass? Density A cube Avogadro's number divided by n. Okay, I just put this value of the M into this equation. So what will get here? Number of particles in x gram is equal to x Na rho A cube Na n. I just put this M is equal to rho A cube Na upon n in this equation. So what will you get here? You can simplify this equation. Finally you get here x n upon rho into A cube. So number of particle in x gram x n rho A cube. Then number of unit cell in x gram of metal. You already calculate here number of particles in x gram of metal. Okay, now number of unit cell in x gram of metal. How can calculate number of unit cell in x gram of metal? Okay, number of unit cell in x gram metal. How can calculate? N particle correspond to 1 unit cell. Okay, you want to calculate number of unit cell in x gram of metal. How many unit cell present in x gram of metal? How can calculate? You know that n particles correspond to 1 unit cell. So xn rho a cube. From this equation, particles correspond to how many? Jar number of unit cell in x gram of metal, you want to calculate n particle correspond to 1 unit cell. N particles correspond to 1 unit cell. You know that. If n number of particles is n correspond to 1 unit cell, therefore this is number of particles xn pa cube particles correspond to. You can simply simplify it. What will you get here? Xn rho a cube into 1 upon n. Okay, 1 upon n. By this relation you got this formula. Here what will you get finally? N get cancel here. Number of unit cell in x gram metal you get here x upon rho a cube. The number of unit cell in volume of V, number of unit cell in volume V of metal is equal to V upon A cube. On the basis of the numericals on the FCC, SCC, BCC, and how can calculate number of particles in x gram of metals, or number of particles in x gram metals, or number of unit cell in x gram of metal on the basis of problem we'll discuss in next video.